Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw with a fountain pen and then we will add water to make it look more painterly. We will draw a young woman with a falcon. We begin with the shape of the face and the head, then the neck, the shoulders and the upper body, which I want with some movement, so we tilt it. And we draw the hips and the legs, which will not be seen completely. Since we are drawing with ink, it cannot be erased. With pencil, I would have done many sketch lines or guidelines, but with ink, we have to visualize the drawing and do it without guidelines practically. Okay, very good. Now we begin to shade with hatching and cross-hatching. This beautiful Monte Grappa fountain pen has a fine nib, so we can draw really fine lines. And by the way, I have been reading your comments and taking notes of your suggestions, so the next tutorial will be a painting in watercolor, and after that we will also have a sculpture in clay, then also a painting in oils, and other exciting stuff. Not necessarily in that order. Then, in October, we will come back to the ink techniques for Inktober. And in fact, also because of your suggestions, we will be having some challenges. So stay tuned for nice things coming from next week and through the following months. And remember that you can take my ink course on Skillshare and that you can get 2 free months on that platform for free with the link below. Okay, we add some hair and now let's draw the falcon, which will be flying in this acrobatic position. First I sketch the overall shape of the body, the wings and the tail, and then we come back and give detail. He will have a lot of detail in regards to the feathers, because this type of falcon has a lot of black spots and stripes on the underneath side of the wings and on the chest and tail. The list of materials that I am using is in the description below the video. Okay, let's do the tail. Very good. Excelente. And now, using a brush, just add water. Here we have fresh water, and with this oriental brush, we carefully apply a little bit of it to the drawing. It will immediately dissolve the ink and create a painterly effect. It also makes it look more red. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the super secret code, just add water. And we can go over to re-establish the lines that were smudged. And it's ready! If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, click on the little bell to get notifications of new videos, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.